Make sure y'all subscribe to my girl, alright? Show a whole lot of love on her channel. Watch all the videos. Don't skip ahead, don't skip the half, none of that. Get it tuned like me, alright? Let's go.
That shit, nah, keep going. Tell me what you about to say.
Okay.
I got the fastest Scat. I drive the best. I'm the best slider, and I look good.
Best slider, we're gonna find out.
We can find out when.
So what you saying is,
where?
What you saying is, we're gonna show up
in North Carolina, I'm the best slider.
I heard people
Stamp
going
that.
on.
Stamp,
You know? Go ahead.
What's going on? It's your boy. I know you hear me house out here with Slime Pack 392. Make sure y'all tap into both of these pages. Hit that subscribe button, that follow button, and that notification button. Salute.
It's hot out here. We out here getting this content.
It's hot. We out here working. You hear me?
They don't,
all this
they
gotta
don't
be appreciated.
understand the struggle of, you know, car vloggers and everything else.
Right, because we could have been at the house,
Yeah.
on the couch, like you, watching somebody else's content, but we out here getting it for y'all.
Yo, I just checked out the ride over there. Yes, sir.
Go ahead, shout your channel out.
Man, I'm a little YouTuber, man. Go by the name of Stunner Reese, you know what I'm saying? If you like, you can check me out, you know what I'm saying? Chicago's finest. Out here, man. North Carolina, man. No, seriously, North Carolina always shows a whole lot of love, man. So, how to come out here and show them love back, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to my girl, alright? Show a whole lot of love on her channel. Watch all the videos. Don't skip ahead, don't skip the half, none of that. Get it tuned like me, alright? Let's go.
First of all, y'all, he gonna say he a little YouTuber.
Yeah.
Listen, I was watching you when you had the hellcat.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
He told us he a little YouTuber.
Yeah, just a little small guy.
Man.
You know what I'm saying? Trying to get my foot in the door.
I found out you from CJ. I ain't gonna lie.
Appreciate you, Mark.
Y'all two like one people I be watching the majority time, so y'all the ones that consistently drop. So I appreciate it.
Hey, got to.
Alright, so make sure y'all go show my girl.
I already got the rap on there, but
You got the ride?
I already got it. I told him you
told
did all
him you
that.
rapped it?
I told him you did it all by yourself.
I did. It took me about a week from a time perspective. So if you count the hours and stuff like that, it's about a week. It took me to get it done. It's my first rap. Tell Slime what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know, always turn up for Slime. Y'all know what it is. Stop playing with Slime. Sorry. Stop playing with Slime. But nah, man, this rap is different. I chose it because I felt like nobody else had this. I haven't seen this color, and if y'all seen it, y'all let me know. And then I'll reach out to that person and tell them to take pictures together. But nah, I just wanted to do something different. Again, it's only up there for 3 months, maybe 4 months.
3 months, 3 months. Correction, y'all. I told him every month.
No,
3 months.
Every 3 months.
Every 3 months, okay.
So every 3 months, we're gonna change this rap. And we doing it for y'all, man. We do this car stuff for y'all. Make sure y'all tap in, like, comment, subscribe, and turn up. That's it, you know?
Right there. You gotta go follow him.
Guys, Octane Red _ 392. Coming all the way from Savannah, Georgia with my bro, Top _ Stepper 392. Yeah. We out here. I want to show you something. It's called Streaming Your Car. I got you on my screen right now.
You
in my
do?
car.
Let's go see. Let's see. Let's see, y'all. Hey, talking sheep. Let's go. What? Mighty Stunner? Shout it out real quick.
Hey, Mighty Stunner, give me the 16K. I just hit 15K.
Yo, you was saying give me the 15 on the last video, not get on the 16.
16, though. Go ahead and shout it out.
Slimepack _ 392 on YouTube, Instagram, and get you some Slimepack merch at slimepack.store. Appreciate that. Oh yeah.
I say when I'm gonna get my
Hey, go.
Car Talk podcast. Yo, that's you right here. You looking at the
Okay.
getting your Scat now.
Well, let's bring it over to the Slimepack video plan.
And then you go on the driver's side, you can see the little box.
On the driver's side?
Yeah.
Let's go over, y'all. Okay, I see it. I see it.
Like, that's the box you plug in. So right there, that's it. It ain't no hard wire.
And you can scream to your stock screen.
Yep, to the stock screen.
Where can they get this at?
Stream to your car on IG. One word, stream to your car. That's it.
So listen, y'all, if y'all want to scream anything to your car,
called Ruby.
With the stop radio.
HBO.
Hit him up once again.
Stream to your car on IG. You can do YouTube, Netflix, HBO Max. Anything you can stream, you can download it off of the Google Play Store. You can play it on your Uconnect screen or any screen that takes CarPlay or Apple Play. So BMWs, Mercedes, Fords, Toyotas, Hondas. If it got CarPlay, you can use stream to your car device on it.
Appreciate that. Song?
Yeah. Uh-oh. It's a 6-4. Yeah, y'all see how we coming, man.
You ready? All right. Now y'all give it up for my little brother.
Yeah, subscribe to the channel, man. Like, comment, hit that notification bell. We going up all 2020.
Yeah, I already know.
All right, go ahead.
Hey, V6 Mafia, Big Eugene, man. I just started my channel. Go ahead and subscribe to me, man. You subscribe to Slime Pack. I know I ain't got Mopar, but we doing big things. Things coming on the way. Mustang gang. That's all I got for right now.
Hey, that was 14 seconds.
Yeah, it was.
Shout myself out now.
All right, go ahead.
Oh yeah. Shout out, hey, this Trip Juice, man. Y'all get at me. The Instagram is _ Trip Juice.
What's in that juice?
Oh, these are dope drinks.
Uh-huh.
If you ain't 21, you can't have it.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, they tripping if they ain't 21.
Oh yeah, for sure. And I'm gonna give you one to let you try it out, and I want you to do a review on one of the drinks.
I got you.
What you drink? Tequila, vodka. What you drink? Henny,
Let's see what I want.
Crown. I got some more in the cooler.
Give me the tequila.
Tequila. I got you. I'm gonna go get you. Come follow me over here to the cooler, and I got you.
All right.
All right, and I want you.
Go ahead. You gotta talk quick. They got that copyright.
It's your boy YNRT57. Check me out on YouTube, Instagram. That's YNRT57.
Down here in Charlotte. Look at the feet.
Hey, drip check.
Look at the feet.
AKA Safe Food World, drip check.
Scat.
Slam Scat.
See, he got the best rap out here.
Scat out here. Yeah. Hardest Scat. I got the fastest.
You gotta have that mentality though.
Hold on, talk that shit.
You gotta have that mentality.
What you mean? Talk that shit. Nah, keep going. Tell me what you about to say. Keep
Okay.
I got the fastest Scat. I drive the best. I'm the best slider, and I look good.
Best slider, we're gonna find out.
We can find out when. When?
So what you saying is,
Where?
what you saying is, we're gonna show up
In North Carolina, I'm the best slider.
I heard people
Stamp that.
going
Slam
on.
Scat.
You know?
Look me up on IG.
I done seen him in person sliding. I done seen him in person sliding.
You know the business.
I done seen Rod in person slide. I done seen, you know, the whole shape of the block.
Come out here and fuck Charlotte up.
Hey man, I'm fucking up any city I come to.
Hey, us
Tag
three out
me.
here, we'll fuck Charlotte
Tag
up.
me. Hey, well, put this.
Hey, these niggas
hold
I seen
on.
Go ahead, man. I'm hard.
Don't talk me to death. Just ask me. Goddamn.
Okay.
I'm here in North Carolina, anywhere. I'll be in your city, taking over.
Them niggas do donuts.
And then walk off after that. They do donuts.
I heard they do donuts. They can't even go around simple shit like cones. That's just what I heard.
That's what you heard. Okay.
Hold on. I'm sorry. We got the best slider out of where? Don't say Fayetteville, because I take Fayetteville when I come to.
Militant.
Oh,
I still ain't seen him slide yet.
hey, this is the best slider in Lumberton right here.
I still ain't seen you slide yet.
Bro, on God.
You ain't never seen me slide.
Nah.
We're gonna see me soon.
Soon.
Up and coming slider.
Okay. Shout it out.
It's your girl Brenda. You already know. Go subscribe to the channel. Troublethon.co. You already know. We gotta link up and collab some type of way and do something. For the ladies, you already know. We gotta put on. So then you gotta talk off camera, but
Yeah? I paid for 2 hours.
It's not a park spot there. I don't know how you paid. The roof's closed.
It said in the white lanes
Where'd you pay at?
on the parking app. I got the screenshots.
You see it.